Last night on the broadcast, we investigated a company making remarkable claims for a home cancer test. Well, we learned that home medical tests sometimes go on the market without the approval of the FDA. And Jim Axelrod continues our report.
Last September, a company called Pathway Genomics launched a blood test making game-changing claims.
Cancer Intercept can detect a growing tumor in the body before the patient may notice symptoms.
We were intrigued, so a few weeks ago we sat down with Pathway's CEO, Jim Plant, to ask him about the evidence.
Can you tell me about the studies he's done?
Before we launched the test, we had a clinical study of more than 100.
Is 100 enough?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for, right? I mean, you could make an argument that there's never enough data, right?
My question is about the testing. Has your product been clinically validated?
Our test has been validated under the current regulatory requirements.
Which doesn't mean much, since under current FDA regulations, labs that develop tests like these don't have to prove their claims before putting them on the market. It's become a profitable business model.
They sell before they're ready.
And a big concern for researchers like Dr. Theodora Ross, who runs the Cancer Genetics Program at the University of Texas Southwestern.
I think that people are not waiting long enough before they send a test out.
Do you feel sometimes the science gets shortchanged in the face of the business?
Yes. If the FDA were to come in and say, show me your data, they couldn't show the data, they should not be testing these patients.
Why not?
Because it's useless.
Many lab-developed tests may be useful, but right now there is no way to know. That may change later this year when the FDA is set to finalize more stringent regulation. Jim Axelrod, CBS News, San Diego.